Hi there, students. Caustic. Okay, caustic is an adjective. Notice the AU in caustic goes to or, caustic. It's got that or sound. If you want to sound very RP, it is very caustic. Okay, this word can either be used about chemistry or about the thing somebody says. A chemical that is caustic is a very powerful agent that can break down, can dissolve other substances. So caustic soda is sodium hydroxide. Yeah, it's extremely basic. It will burn through almost anything. Be careful when you use this product because it's very caustic and will burn your skin. And then we can use this word caustic about a remark, about something somebody says, about a joke, about a comment. So he made some very caustic remarks about my ideas. He was very caustic about the quality of my work. In the interview, he made some very caustic jokes that were burning. They were very critical. They were cruel and bitter. Yeah. He spoke caustically about the state of the country. He spoke caustically about what the government were doing. Yeah, so in a very critical way. Yeah, sarcastic, very cutting. Yeah, okay. So a caustic, something that burns, an alkali that burns. Be careful about the use of the word acid in this case, because caustic, something that's caustic, is an alkali, extremely alkaline, and it's the exact opposite. Yeah. So caustic, something that can burn its way through, eat its way through tissue, through chemical things. It's very corrosive. And then in comments, in writing, in a speech, you would describe it as very caustic, very sarcastic, very biting. Yeah, his comments were very caustic in their nature. Yeah. The fans made very caustic comments about the referee. Yeah, okay, so caustic, a remark that is hurtful, it's critical, it's very unkind and intentionally so. He's well known for his caustic wit and making caustic remarks. Yeah, there's no need to be so caustic. You could just say it's not what you expected. Yeah, caustic jokes. Yeah, can deal with difficult subjects. A caustic interviewer. Yeah, a very caustic reply, a caustic remark. Yeah, it's very biting, very vitriolic. Yeah, very cutting, severe, scathing. Yeah, vitriolic, burning. Yeah, so he may be very funny, but his comments are very caustic. And then please use gloves because this substance is caustic and is going to burn your hands. Caustic soda. I think quicklime is caustic. I think quicklime's calcium oxide, or is it hydroxide? One or the other. Okay, so caustic, so something that is sharp, bitter, cutter, biting, but in a very scathing way, very bitchy, mordacious, spiteful and vitriolic. Okay, so this is the idea. Caustic potash or caustic soda, a chemical product. Okay, caustic, formality. I think I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you can use it absolutely anywhere. Yeah, it's a good word. something very critical. My, we are caustic tonight. Yeah, and then as to origin, it comes from the Latin word causticus, burning, which itself actually comes from ancient Greek caustikos, meaning burning as well. Yeah, so yeah, caustic soda will burn your skin, and caustic comments will burn your soul. Well, you shouldn't let them because that's their opinion, and it's not your opinion, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so caustic, something that burns or something that's very cutting, biting, very critical, something like that. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Caustic. He spoke caustically.